Okay, I had to test out this electric wood chipper. It only comes with a few parts. Assembly was quick and easy. It's essentially just the stand and the wheels. The Allen wrench was included. It's a 2-year limited warranty, 15 amp electric motor, so it works with all standard outlets. I assembled it in just a couple minutes. Okay, the legs, you cannot screw this up. There's literally a pre-punched hole on one side and not the other side, so it can only go in one orientation. Axle, rollers, then the wheel, and the washer and the nut are included, as well as the Allen wrench to tighten it all up was included. They also provided these cool neon green wheel covers. In case you haven't noticed, green is my favorite color. They would just snap in. That's a cool look. The electric wood chipper does come with the waste bag. It's reusable. Okay, it comes with this clip so you can tie your extension cord around. It'll help keep it in place when you're pulling it around the yard. This is your on-off power button. Now it's right here where the person will be standing, so it's quick and easy to reach. This is the unlockable access. With the unit unplugged at the source, you can get in there and you can check the blades and clear, but make sure it's unplugged when you do that. And you simply close it and lock it back up. It will not start until this is securely locked all the way down. Here's my pile of wood that we need chipped up from the yard. The manufacturer says it can handle up to 1.8 inches. That's almost 2 inches in diameter. So we'll start with the thin stuff and I'll work our way on up. Whenever operating a wood chipper, safety glasses are super important. This is the first time I've ever tested an electric wood chipper. We'll see if it works. You have several different openings of sizes, and that's probably the 1.8 or almost 2 inch in diameter, so you can easily see how the sizing that you're putting in there. So right on the side of your electric chipper, you do have a push bar provided, so you don't have to get your fingers in there. Okay, this is the biggest limbs I have on the property. Let's chip these up and see if it will work. I don't know. Okay, so far so good. That wood chipper made quick and easy work of the limbs in my yard. No need to mess with oil or gas or chemicals or making a mess. Just plug it in. Now the easy removable bag safely collected all of the chippings. Check that out. Fresh organic mulch. You can use it in planting beds. You can certainly recycle this anywhere you want. Of course, the product link is in the video description down below. This has worked so quick and efficiently for me. I will definitely use it again in my next yard cleanup. Hey, let me know if you have any questions or if you currently own this. I'll see you next week.